Good to see you, bud. Whoa! It's on fire!
Want to see the fire?
That is cool. It's all right. See you later. I'll see you later. Right. Revitalization of a shop Panhead is over there. It's the revamp. It's there. It's ours. But we're getting rid of it. Okay? We've had it for long enough.
Yeah.
It's been about 4 days.
We want it to be someone else's shop, Panhead.
We want it to be someone else's shop Panhead, yeah.
So what are we doing?
So we're gonna raffle it. We're gonna give it away. Right? That's the terminology.
Free raffle.
We're giving
We're going
this
to
away.
give
Free raffle.
we're going to give the Duoglide away, the 61 Duoglide. We're giving it away. She's not gonna be ours anymore, she'll be someone else's. We wanna bless them. Okay? We're gonna get John here at some point to ride it. 0 miles. We're gonna put some miles on, we're gonna break them in, and then we're gonna send her on.
Original miles you can
Brand
put
new
on.
Original miles that you can put on, original sheet metal.
So after this video, where can everyone buy a ticket?
Well, you tell me, because are we doing a website situation?
Do we do a website? I'm gonna.
Seems like we should, because
because
it
it
seems
will-
like some people don't know how to operate Instagram.
Yes. So when you're done with this video, go to our website or click right here. I'll do it at the end too. Just
Yeah.
to,
Go to the website. You can enter there. Instagram. There's also be details. Enter there. Link in the description. Bio. Read it. And win yourself a Panhead. Right, Gabe? Right, Tim?
Tim's back.
Tim's back. Gabe and Tim are wearing these same clothes.
That's it. Like and subscribe.
Wow.
Wow.
That's what we needed.
Wowza.
Nice. I wish I got that.
Did you? It might have. Dude, they redid our curb.
Oh wow.
They gave us fresh concrete for photos.
Just what we needed.
That's right. I was always saying that curb was lacking concrete.
Is that wet?
Yeah, I've eaten enough Nutella to make my stomach hurt, so we should probably throw that bottle out. So tell me here.
You worried about me with Boston Market like you're eating a whole bottle of Nutella.
Listen, dude, this isn't about me.
All right. Well, it is now.
It's not.
You brought it up.
Nope.
Now I want it.
It's good, dude. It's so good.
New merch.
New merch. That's a freshly razor blade on the ground right here.
Save
You could
that.
really do some work with that one. These tanks didn't come full of gas, huh? That's a bummer.
Ooh. That's exciting.
Very Duoglide. The tuxedo, baby.
It's prom night up in this bitch.
It's straight up prom night up in this bitch. What's up?
Got it?
Homeboy's going stag to prom, baby. Gonna bang the prom queen. Gonna eat the prom queen's booty.
You're not used to this, huh? It's a little squeaky.
Got some squeaking to it. Woo! How'd she look on the ground?
Awesome. Honestly.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ryan Sensor Orchestra right here, dude. This thing's ready for the Mighty Mighty Boss Tones. The question is, where the fuck is this global warming, Leonardo DiCaprio? Huh? It's cold as shit out. It's almost May.
44 pounds maximum pressure. But that's at maximum load, which is 2,200 pounds.
Which is you and 4 fat chicks.
So at least that.
Taking out your Boston market aggression on that shit.
I'm angry at myself.
Was it good though?
It's never.
It's never bad.
It's never good.
It's never bad though.
Yeah, that's the other part of that.
We're gonna go right over the spot?
Yeah, why not?
We don't have gas. That's a bad boy right there. Oh my god.
Don't do that.
Oh my god. This one I think you get a kick sitting over it.
Turn the wheel the other way too. So
Oh yeah, it's not a chopper, dude. It's a stalker. Stalkers go this way. So you got oil in it?
50 or 60 weight.
I thought above or anything, just in a bad way.
Yeah, I don't need change.
I don't have change either.
Sure.
Credit cards. Plastic.
Bums don't
only
have
use
those.
plastic.
Bums don't have those.
I'm in a bad way as well. That's, yep. Yo, yeah. Oh, yo. You know, we did some modern upgrades. Horn, carburetor, oil. Modern stuff, modern technology.
That's why it's got 2 vented caps. Each tank is vented.
Each tank is a gas tank. That's good.
It's genius.
And there's no miles on it, as you can see here. Okay? We haven't hit a mile yet. Nothing. 0. That's right. Brand new. Brand new. What kind of a deal is out there for brand new panheads, okay?
How much would a brand new panhead cost you?
A lot of goddamn money. All
How
right?
much does this one cost you?
It's only
A lot of money.
$100. Only $100. That's it. One entry. It costs you 1 entry or 2 entries or 10 entries.
That's chump change
or
in this
you can
inflation.
circumvent the whole entry system and hit us up and just buy it.
That's true.
You know, we're open to those kind of offers, okay? I'll throw an Ironhead in with it.
No.
What do we get rid of plastic straws for if we're freezing our ass off, huh? Maybe we'll have a warm April. Don't fill it up too much, dude.
Well, tell me when to stop.
I'll tell you. I've got X-ray vision. I can see right through these tanks, dude. I can see what they're thinking. Dude! Okay, we're good. You're doing great.
It smells amazing.
I'm really loving these.
You like that?
I'm loving them.
I'm gonna keep it fresh for the viewers.
Yeah. Let me get your good side. Hold on.
No.
Let me get the non Boston Market side.
I don't know what that means.
You got 87, right? But this takes low octane.
It'll run on anything.
She'll eat.
I got nitro.
She'll eat, dude. And gas isn't coming out of anything?
I don't see gas
I love that.
coming out of things.
That's good. What are you thinking?
I'm not thinking at all.
Really? I like that about you. All right, wheel her on over to the zone. The zone. Look at, she's right next to her honey boo boo thing. These are taking prom king and queen, dude. The black bike is what's the third place? Jester? Is there a Jester? Did you go to prom?
What?
Did you go to prom?
I went to prom with you.
You did go to prom with me. Oh, we went to a couple proms.
Not our prom.
We went to a few proms. That's what's up. Craig was sniffing booties back then.
My wife was a former prom.
No way, dude. I was prom court.
I don't know what that is.
I don't either. I think it just felt bad for me. You weren't at ours though, right? I got suckered into going to ours. Pop the cover, baby.
Make sure it's getting gas.
Always practice form. Look at this. Lovely Worcester. It's about 38 degrees out. Dog, don't put the chrome side down, bro. Let's see what he's got to say.
What? Oh,
That's why it's got the dimple so you can put the screws in.
It's so nice.
Yeah. Unscrew it all the way and pull it up, just to make sure.
You have a filter?
Gefilter. Here, twiddle it around and then, oh, wicked. We also might not have filled the tank up enough.
Go more.
We can definitely go more. Uh-oh. Oh my God.
This is beautiful.
This is awful, dude. This is bad news.
Yeah.
What's up? What's up, dude? You can be my hero, baby. I like being over here. What we want to do is we want to identify any leaks. I know, it's terrifying. Not into it at all.
Alright, well.
Good to see you, bud. Whoa! It's on fire!
Want to see the fire?
That is cool. It's all right. See you later. I'll see you later. Oh, she's gonna light. She is gonna light. The choke is still all the way up. What? Yeah, it was.
I don't have a choice.
What?
Boston Market.
Are you getting it again tonight?
It's changed my shape.
It's changed your body. You look good though. Yes, dude. This is a cool side to be on. The camera side's a cool side. I like what's going on here. This is the action. This is what I'm looking for.
I hate myself.
Yes! Success. Success. All that stuff you can find at throttlelauncher.com, baby. They have a YouTube channel. Like and subscribe to their YouTube channel as well. Like and subscribe to ours. Like and subscribe to theirs. Comment on theirs. Bombard their YouTube channel with comments about our YouTube channel. All right?
That's a great idea.
Like and subscribe. Buy all their stuff. They have products. All right?
I don't know how to
They have
internet.
fenders. They have tanks. They have all sorts of cool shit. Hardtails.
Good stuff.
Buy it. Great stuff. Quality stuff. Purchase it. Go to their YouTube channel. Comment on it. Goodbye.
Might have my sloppy seconds. It's
Yep.
weird.
Does it?
Oh yeah.
Like,
It goes too far down. Let's see. Maybe it's just me.
no, it's probably weird. Because remember, he told us not to check the transmission.
Yes.
Remember that?
Yeah, he told us
Remember
not
that?
to. There had to have been a reason.
Had to have been a reason.
You're up, Daddy.
I think I'm gonna go a different approach here.
Over the top.
I'm gonna go over the top on this one.
OPHJ.
Yeah. I don't love it.
It's weird, right?
It's not too bad. No, not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Okay.
I don't think it's returning and the gas is now leaking.
Out of where?
The filter, I think, which is a relief.
So we are not returning oil. First time. Just airbound maybe?
Could be.
But, I mean, it sounded good.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
It's a beautiful noise.
Yeah. This shit's leaking right past the odor clamp. We don't have any, like, actual hose clamps.
Let's steal some from.
Who has some? Do we have some on a line? I mean, this is the bike that we've stolen everything.
Is there not even a fuel line on this?
We've probably taken it out already.
How?
Take it off the Sportster.
Sure. Is there a
Yeah.
one right there? Oh, there's a bunch on this. What do you need?
A little oil gun, a little oil squirter. On the rack. Eye level. Right in front of you. To your left, eye level. On the rack.
On this rack?
Yeah,
It's
move
hanging
it
on.
straight up.
It's hanging on.
I couldn't see it. I was looking down, not at eye level.
Come get some Casper.
Try firing it up.
Okay.
It likes you. Finally, a bike that likes you. But don't worry, the battery's been on the whole time.
Done. Okay. Oh, we're definitely scratching the front fender. Nope. Nope.
Wow.
Made it out clean out of that one. Woo! That's good. Okay, F all the haters.
It's leaking again, too.
It's leaking gas a lot, huh?
Oh, yeah. It's fine. It's fine. Whatever.
Oh yeah, we're returning.
That's what I had that thing on.
I have the gas off.
No, turn it back on, fire it up.
Work your magic. I'll take a seat.
Is it squirting? Fuck. Banyo, banyo, banyo. Send it in. Squirt. Send it in. Squirt. Send it in. You're up. Don't give her any more gas. It's definitely flooded. I'm telling you, dude, sit over it. You'll like it. Someone commented saying you're getting buffed, Eddie.
No, they did.
Swear to God.
Did they?
Swear to God.
Damn, went to the gym 4 times.
Damn, dude. Your body is reacting well to it. Okay, leave the idle there for now. It should be fine. I guess not. Fuel in, fuel out.
Just give me fuel.
Give me fire. Give me that which I desire.
There.
Yeah. Key on. 1 squirt.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get Craig in there.
He's got it. He's got it.
Fucking bitch. Hold on.
Very uneventful.
Hell yeah. You think it would just fucking right back up, you know? But of course not. Give her hell. shit. This screwdriver's too short. Hold on. It's all right. All right, try to fire her again. Do it. Try it my way, dude. It's fun. You'll like it, dude. You're tall.
It's so awkward for you.
How do people do this?
You'll like it, dude.
The way you're supposed to do it, right?
Wouldn't be bad if it had a frame mounted seat.
Yeah, that makes it work.
No way, dude. Just pretend like you're in Streets on Fire or something like that, dude. You're William Dafoe. William Dafoe in Streets on Fire. Hey, a little low, isn't it, huh? Who set that up? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. All right. Give her the whole 1-2, Steven. Yeah, all right. Oh, yeah. So it's like fucking...
Oh, it works.
Fuck yeah, it works.
It's one of the nicer things we've ever built.
Yeah.
Paul ever built.
Paul definitely built this one.
Yeah.
All class, mate, all class.
I think he just fell walking.
Did he fall walking?
Did you hear that?
He's so mad. He gets furious, dude. All right, he gets furious. All right, while the kids are enjoying themselves, like and subscribe.
No passengers. No passengers.
Like and subscribe. Don't even listen to them. Like and subscribe.
Okay. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to the channel. Like and subscribe to Life.
Are you trying to start that?
Buy. Get yourself a raffle ticket. Okay, we're giving this thing away. All right.
Nice and
$100
wet.
a pop. Get after it. Like and subscribe to the channel. Start multiple other channels to subscribe to ours. Gabe, like and subscribe. Tim, like and subscribe. Okay? Don't even say it. Shut up, the both of you.
Thank you.
All right? Instagram, YouTube, TikTok,
Patreon,
Patreon,
Facebook.
website, Facebook. All of it. All of it. Like and subscribe.
raffle tickets.
Like it. Raffle tickets. Like and subscribe.
Dale me
Win it.
gusta y suscríbete.
Subscribe, yes. All right?